when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never, never an honest word. And that was when I ruled the world.
Was to see you smiling, smiling. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see? All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. All I ever wanted was to make you mine. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see that all I ever wanted was you and me? All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. All I ever wanted was to make you mine. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see that all I ever wanted was you and me? I'm so alone, here on my own, and I'm waiting for you to come. I want to be a part of you, think of all the things we could do. And every day, you're in my head, I want to have you in my bed. You are the one, you're in my eyes, all I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. All I ever wanted was to make you mine. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see that all I ever wanted was you and me? All I ever wanted was to
Soprano, des moines, Marseille.
Je connais ce regard, insolent et insouciant, ce cocard et ce terme menaçant. Toutes ces heures à passer dans un bloc à fumer, avec ses portails et les cours pour assaisonner. Je connais ces bagarres, ces histoires de territoire, ces histoires de respect qui se règlent le soir. Cette envie de croquer le monde, tous ces œufs jetés quand les flics faisaient leur ronde. Oh, moi aussi tout comme lui, je prenais le mic, rappais toute la nuit. Toute la picaille était mes ennemis, je haussais la voix sur toute ma famille. Oh, je calquais les gestes des grands du quartier, me prenais pour les vrais face aux petits décartés. Malgré tout ce qu'on dit, regarde un peu comment on a fini. Oh, tous ces jeunes envoient des blocs sans espoir, ceux qui gaspillent leur jeunesse dans un square, ceux qui avancent sans repère par le soir. Cette jeunesse n'a pas appris le mot victoire. C'est oh, c'est oh, c'est oh.
Moi aussi j'ai connu ces jours sans fin devant le hall. Les soirées sur un parking où ça fout, où ça pétole. Le week-end j'allais chercher ma petite pochette sur Amsterdam. Je restais keblo devant la console toute la journée dans un local. J'ai fait les soirées, j'avais de boire dessus, de prier, de me noyer.